also wanted to talk a little bit about how this works alongside your employees, your team, as effectively as a Copilot. This is Microsoft Copilot, but how it can work to help train your team, to help people get more effective. I use this kind of thing all of the time when I don't fully understand the tool that I'm working with. So what I've done here is I've taken that same data that we were working with, in this case in Excel, and I want to run a correlation. I wanted to use Excel to show me if there is a correlation, in this case, between years of experience and salary. So I'm pasting the formula that ChatGPT just wrote in here. You can see that equals Corel, GGHH. So it's helped me write a formula for Excel. But that's a pretty simple example. Let me show you how it can actually write something a little bit more complex. I've asked it if it can give me a formula that, instead of showing me the correlation, the actual output of the equation, it can say strong correlation, some correlation, or no correlation. So it's not a particularly useful formula, but it is more complex than the last one. So I'll paste that in, and you can see that what Excel is saying for the data that we've got is there is some correlation between the years of experience and salary. And you can see it's written a fairly complex formula, but it can help with things like pivot tables, even more complex formulas than this, or even just how to use common office tools. So if you want to know potentially how to use Excel or Word or PowerPoint better, it will be able to help you with those things.